Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download completely free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flarto Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!